Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of home and garden products to help you make informed choices. Today, we're exploring the HyeFlora artificial faux fall flowers, a stunning addition to your outdoor decor that has quickly become known as the best fake fall plants available on the market. If you're looking to elevate your home's ambiance with beautiful, realistic-looking flowers, you're in the right place. Let's start with what makes these artificial flowers stand out. The HyeFlora set comes with 12 bundles of vibrant faux daisies, accompanied by eucalyptus leaves, designed to bring a touch of nature to your porch, patio, or garden. Each bundle is crafted from high-quality silk material, making these flowers not only visually appealing but also durable. They are UV and all-weather resistant, ensuring they remain vibrant and fresh-looking no matter the season. One of the first things you'll notice about these flowers is their incredible realism. The lifelike colors and textures make it hard to believe they're not real. The vibrant hues of the daisies combined with the lush green eucalyptus leaves create a stunning visual that can enhance any outdoor space. Whether you want to dress up your front porch, decorate your garden, or simply add some color to your indoor space, these flowers do the trick effortlessly. What's truly remarkable about the HyeFlora flowers is their versatility. They are suitable for a variety of settings, be it a cozy apartment balcony, a spacious backyard, or even as part of your indoor decor. You can arrange them in planters, hang them in window boxes, or use them as part of a centerpiece for outdoor gatherings. Their stylish and authentic appearance adds a touch of elegance to any environment. One of the greatest advantages of choosing artificial plants over real ones is the maintenance factor. With the HyeFlora flowers, you don't have to worry about watering, pruning, or seasonal changes. They bloom all year round without fading, allowing you to enjoy their beauty with zero upkeep. This makes them a perfect choice for busy individuals or those who may not have a green thumb. Now, let's talk about cost. Retailing at around $23.99, the HyeFlora artificial flowers offer excellent value for money. When you consider the durability and longevity of these plants, as well as the savings on maintenance, it's a wise investment. You can achieve a gorgeous floral display without the recurring costs associated with live plants. In conclusion, the HyeFlora artificial faux fall flowers are truly the best fake fall plants available. Their stunning aesthetics, versatility, and low maintenance make them a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their living spaces. If you want to add a splash of color and elegance to your home without the hassle of caring for real plants, these artificial flowers are the perfect solution. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and insights on the best products available. We'll see you in the next video.